So we've laid out our pieces here, and we've cut the biscuits in them so that we have the cuts in the end grain of this piece here that correspond here with the pieces in the long grain, so that it'll be situated like this, another side here, and then the top. And so when you glue this up, just regular Titebond original wood glue is perfectly fine for that. Very strong glue that most woodworkers are going to use. And so what you want to do is you want to put glue in all the slots and then glue on the biscuits themselves so that there's a good amount of glue contact throughout that entire joint, and so that when it dries it's good and strong and not going to come apart very easily, or if at all. So I'm going to demonstrate the glue up right now for you. All right, once the glue is in there, you want to spread it around with a little stick that's just a little bit smaller than the slot itself. And then from there, you want to start to put the biscuits in. I usually just put a little piece on there, smear some glue, put it in the slot, maybe give it a tap in. Okay, and now we're going to put the final piece on the top. Line it up a little bit by hand. Then we hammer it down with a dead blow mallet. We'll line it up front to back. Okay, so now that it's assembled, now it's time to clamp it.